A warm pot of a creamy mushroom soup is comfort in every spoonful. Cooking is a beautiful way to care for yourself and the people you love. Fresh ingredients, gentle cooking, and the patience always create the best results. The secret ingredient is the love and care you put into every step. Nothing compares to the aroma of home mushroom chicken soup filling your kitchen. Good food doesn't have to be complicated. Simple recipe can create unforgettable flavors. Take your time, enjoy the process, and let every ingredient add its own special touches. This is our mushroom. I cut I cut it into pieces. Now I'm washing it with salt here. As you can see, I added lemon juice, I added vinegar and everything to wash it. Yeah, so you can see I have my garlic and chopped onion too here. This is olive oil. I added salt to stir fry the onion. So this is the fresh mushroom. This is the frozen mushroom. You can see difference. Yeah, this is fresh and this one is frozen. Okay, let me add the chicken. The chicken, I cut it into cubes. Yeah. Then one chicken stock. Okay, so our chicken is done. I will set it aside. This is minced spices for chicken. Garlic, ginger, onion. Black pepper. Dry herbs for seasoning. That's green pepper. This is vinegar so that it will not smell. And I have removed from fire and set it aside. This is garlic. This is our mushroom. I'll bring it here. We have to steam it. I soak it with lemon juice, vinegar, and salt. I'm adding olive oil. I'm adding all-purpose herbs, spices for mushroom. Mushroom spices. So now the mushroom is on fire. We have to cook until soft and fragrant and cook it for 30 seconds. The smell is already incredible. Oh, we have to cook until they release their moisture and become golden. This step builds the rich flavor of our soup. I'm adding a little diced carrot to it to get a flavor and a color. Yeah. This may not be the same style you make your mushroom cream soup in the house. You know, cooking has different ways and different tastes. So if you love how I prepare mine, thank you so much and don't skip. I love you. My soul, angelic songs are swelling. Oh, earth green fields and oceans with beach shore. How sweet the truth, those blessed strains are telling of that new life, when sun shall be no more. Angels, angels of Jesus, angels of light, singing to welcome the pilgrims of the night. Angels. So I have added my mushroom, my chicken, and everything is in one pan. Let's stir it for some seconds before we add to our cream soup. Before we begin the next step, I just want to remind you of something. Life isn't always perfect, but every day is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and create something beautiful. Cooking teaches us patience, creativity, and love, just like every recipe. So in the pot here, I have my butter. I want it to melt over a medium heat. Then I will add my chopped onion. Yeah, I'm adding my chopped onion, my garlic, until soft and fragrant. Yeah, so let it be brown before we add other ingredients. Success in life takes one step at a time. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are often the best teachers. No matter where you are today, keep believing in yourself. Small effort done consistently lead to a great result. This is my carrot. This is a powder cream of mushroom. Cream of mushroom powder, water. I have to stir it so that it will not curdle. This is my milk. This is cream, cooking cream. Now I am adding the cooking cream. As you see, I will stirring gently until the soup becomes rich velvety
dissolved
and
so that
beautiful
it will
smooth.
not
So you can see the season and everything is already inside. So finally I will add. Whether you are learning to cook for the first time or trying a new recipe, remember that every meal you make is a step toward becoming better than you were yesterday. So our chicken, mushroom, every spices, everything is done. So now it's time to add the mushrooms, the chicken, everything inside the cream soup. Now stirring everything together and allowing the mushrooms to cook slowly until they are tender and release their natural juices. This step is what gives the soup its deep earthy mushroom flavor. So don't rush it. So now the next is our corn. This soup, you see, hey, so healthy. It's so creamy, milky, saucy, delicious, appealing. So we are done. The next thing will be our chicken powder noodles. We're going to add chicken spank powder to our soup. Adding 1 teaspoon of corn flour. I don't want it too much thick. Light thick. So spaghetti chicken powder for soup. I added this my soup. This is vinegar. Now the soup is done. If you want to blend the soup to get a smooth and silky, you can. Cream, but if you don't want to blend it and get the little texture, you can leave it. So me, I did not blend it. Chicken. I just want to feel the chewing ingredients inside the soup. Everything is now in, and there you have it. Our rich, creamy, and delicious mushroom chicken cream soup is ready to enjoy. Hey, I hope this recipe inspires you to spend more time in the kitchen and reminds you that cooking is one of the simplest ways to share love and happiness with the people around you. Remember, every great cook started as a beginner. Don't be afraid to try new recipes, make mistakes, and keep learning. With patience, practice, and passion, you will become more confident every day. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments below and let me know where you are watching from. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of this amazing community. Until next time, keep smiling, keep believing in yourself, and keep cooking with love. May your home always